In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the left panel theme in Zoho Mail. Customizing your Zoho Mail interface is a simple way to make your inbox feel more personal and easier on the eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time in your email every day. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through changing the theme of the left panel, which is the area where you usually see your folders, labels, and navigation items. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're on the main Zoho Mail interface where you can see your inbox and folders on the left side. That's the panel we're going to customize. Next, look for the settings area. In Zoho Mail, this is represented by a small gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This opens up the settings menu where you can control how Zoho Mail looks and behaves. Once the settings menu is open, you'll see several options or categories. What you want to find here is the section labeled System. Click on System to open its detailed settings. This is where Zoho Mail keeps options related to your overall interface and appearance, including themes. Inside the System settings, look for the part that says Theme. This is the section that controls the visual style of your Zoho Mail interface, including the left panel. Click on Theme to open the available options. You should now see different theme choices or color styles that you can apply. From here, it's just a matter of selecting the look you like. Browse through the available themes and click on the one that appeals to you. As you select a theme, Zoho Mail will apply it to your left panel and the rest of the interface, so you can instantly see how it looks. Take a moment to try a couple of options until you find one that feels comfortable, especially for long periods of reading and organizing email. Once you're happy with your selection, there's nothing more you need to do. Your chosen theme is now applied, and your left panel in Zoho Mail has a fresh, updated look.